another year next year.
Merry Christmas.
So again, I would like to thank the organizers. Syempre, no, first and foremost, si Louie. For really taking time, no, to organize everything for all of us, no, and syempre si Leg Psycho, and si Sheila.
Si Jenny.
Ano lang si
Sheila.
Extra, no?
Back up.
Oo, no? You know, I've been looking for somebody to pass the baton. Organizing, no? Year in, year out, every activities of our Hilo group, no? I am hoping it would be Louie kung tatanggapin. But, you know, and if qualification-wise, no, this is a testament na talagang kaya niya. No? So, with that, for 2025, I hope you can continue always our pride ba yun? Hindi, no? But, you know, we are really a very happy group. No?
Happy lang.
And we wanted to ask everyone, no, every members, if I'm not mistaken, parang 46 kaming lahat eh. No? What you saw in this is really a small group right now, no? Kalahati lang halos. So I hope by next year, we will have everybody with us. No? So, makilala naman tayo. Starting with
the most beautiful.
energetic.